a business. So stay tuned for these videos. Like I said, we're going to talk about some real stuff, and then we're going to jump into how to start a business 2025. I'll be back, you guys. Okay, y'all, we're back. We're back. I have some great news. I just got my packaging. This is this is my vinyl. Oh, slap. God, I'm so happy. I'm about to cry. God is legit blessing me. I had so much troubles trying to figure out how to get my visions to come to life. And it took him to tell me, go do it. So this is why I'm making this video for y'all. Go do it. Do what you want. Go do your dreams. Go do your goals. Just do it. Stop procrastinating. I'm working on to stop procrastinating. Procrastinating is not good because it holds us back from doing what we really want to do. And when I do this inventory unboxing haul, I'm giving all thanks to him. Thank you, God. All thanks to him. All right, y'all. I'm done ranting. Just stop procrastinating. Stop belittling you down. Believe in yourself. Keep believing in yourself. Trust in the process. Because when you trust in the process, it's more and more steps up to what you really want in life. So for me, giving this advice to y'all, I'm going to do this my own self. I'm going to stop procrastinating. I'm going to trust the process. I'm going to believe in myself. I already in the works of being back spiritual with God. And yeah, I just want to see